Okay, this great water sprinkler baseball toy is perfect for summer. Let's get it opened up and we'll show you how it works. It's got multiple pieces because it actually does two functions. You can have it as a sprinkler head like this, where it can spin around rotating 360 degrees for tons of fun. Or you can actually put on the other adapter like this and it will shoot the balls up in the air and you can hit them with the bat that's provided. Okay, so if you want it to work as a sprinkler head, you take this part of it and you just screw it right into the top, and then you take your hose and you plug it into here. That's the simplest way to use it. Okay, second way to use it is by twisting this part into the top like this, and then you're going to take these two provided bars and you're going to assemble them right into the side. One clicks in there and then the other one clicks in right on this side. Okay, once that's clicked in, then you take the additional parts. So right over here, you've got these three little baskets sort of, and you screw them in on the top here. So you screw them on the top, and then this is gonna make it so when you set your balls on here, the water pressure will shoot them up into the air. And then you use the provided balls and they will sit right on top of there. And then you take also the provided baseball bat, and conveniently the baseball bat is made to extend and lock into place so it can be put away for later use if you're not using it. Okay, let's get it hooked up to the hose and show you how it works. Okay, we're gonna turn on the water hose and show you how it works. Woo! And this is the way it works with the balls.